Can you really get pregnant while you're on your period? Many people think the answer is no, but the truth is more surprising.
During your period, your body is shedding the lining of the uterus because pregnancy has not happened. But pregnancy depends on timing. Sperm can survive inside the female reproductive system for several days. If someone has a short menstrual cycle, ovulation may happen soon after the period ends, and sperm may still be present. This means pregnancy during or shortly after a period is possible, especially around the fertile window.
So yes, it can happen. Understanding your cycle helps you making informed decisions about your body and health.